A Roadside Stand by Robert Frost. A poem that highlights the struggle of poor rural people and the indifference of modern urban society. The poem describes a small roadside stand built by poor villagers along a highway. These villagers hope that passing motorists will stop and buy something from them. They want to earn a little money so that their difficult rural life can improve. But the reality is disappointing. Most people driving on the highway simply pass by without stopping. The poet shows that rich city people are not really interested in helping the villagers. Sometimes they stop, but usually only to complain. They may criticize the stand's appearance or the poor quality of the goods. Instead of understanding the villagers' struggle, they remain careless and impatient. Through this, the poem exposes the gap between rural poverty and urban comfort. The villagers are not asking for charity. They simply hope that people will buy something from their stand. Even a small purchase could make a difference in their lives. This hope reflects their desire for economic dignity, not pity. But their expectations are rarely fulfilled. The poem also criticizes government schemes and officials who claim they will help rural people. Often, these promises lead to more problems. Instead of real improvement, villagers may lose their land or independence. Robert Frost suggests that such help sometimes ignores what the villagers truly need. At one point, the poet expresses a painful thought. Seeing the villagers' endless suffering, he momentarily feels it might be kinder if their struggle simply ended. But immediately, he rejects this thought. This shows how deeply he feels their suffering and injustice. A roadside stand reveals the harsh reality faced by rural communities. It criticizes the selfishness of modern society and the lack of compassion for the poor. Through this poem, Robert Frost reminds us that true progress must include those who are struggling on the margins of society. The roadside stand becomes a symbol of rural hope. It represents the quiet expectation that someone someday will stop and care. The poem leaves us with an important question. In a world moving quickly toward prosperity, are we forgetting the people left behind? Read slowly, think deeply. This is Quiet Recall.